Designing sheet metal parts should not be another subject matter you have to learn on top of CAD modeling. In traditional CAD tools, there's a different command for each type of sheet metal flange. You have a different tool for your base flange, edge flange, contour flange, miter flange, and swept flange. Each of these had their own set of parameters, icons, and magic clicks to learn how to use correctly. But Fusion 360 fuses all of these different commands into a single flange command. This single flange tool is intelligent and aware of the selection, and it will switch to the correct type of flange automatically. Don't waste time searching for the correct command. Simply just repeat the flange command and keep bending. Not only is it easier to use any type of flange, but you could change the width, location, and size of the flange without having to jump into a complicated sketch. All in all, Fusion 360 makes it easier to create sheet metal designs. But Fusion 360 isn't just a design tool. Fusion 360 has the tools to automate creating a DXF and detailed drawing of the flat pattern. But that's just the beginning. Your job is to actually make the part. Product development is as much as about physical manufacturing as it is about design. This is where Fusion 360 can take that flattened part and produce the G-code necessary to drive the water, plasma, or laser cutter on your shop floor. These processes are tightly integrated where a design change anywhere is reflected everywhere, not just an update to a drawing.